Hi guys, just an update of like what's going on recently because I haven't released a video for a month or so. Just wanted to keep you updated what's going on. For those who are new to the video, hi, my name is Hiroki Kuro. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I have tons of videos about like startups, how to get funding, how to find your co-founder, how to resolve conflicts, what VCs to go through, etc, etc. So if you're interested in startups or starting a business, definitely follow my channel. I'll be releasing more videos, and also there's lots of content, so just so that you don't miss out or can't get lost, follow my channel. You'll be updated of like what videos I'll be posting. So kind of looking at my memo, I want to kind of tell you what's been going on. So again, I am a founder and a director currently of Marybiz. Marybiz is a Japanese startup which does online outsourcing service, so mainly bookkeeping, accounting, back office stuff. It's run by moms, basically moms, like 90% are women. So I'm continuing to do that. The business is going great. We have annual recurring revenue of roughly 7 million or so in US dollars, and it's growing like 30-40% annual. So that's going great. I've also recently launched a company in Japan that provides discounts for cloud computing. So AWS, GCP, Azure, all that stuff, we provide a discount for that. So I've started working that from January, which is kind of keeping me busy because of registering the company, and also a huge headache around getting a bank account, a business bank account. It's just taking so much time. It doesn't really help like living outside of Japan. I have to prove a lot of stuff. I have to prepare extra paperwork, like literally paperwork. I have to stamp it. I have to send it back to Japan, get it stamped, and not get it approved. I have to send additional documents. So it's been going like that for a couple of weeks. Hopefully I can get that done. Today was a great day. We had the first session for Entrepreneurship UBC for the core course, which I've been doing for I think it's the 5th cohort that I've been a mentor of. So it was great to see new startups like ventures, new teams joining the program. And I'll also be involved in the Lab to Launch program, which is also a Entrepreneurship UBC program that kind of goes along. They have different sort of criteria of like focus, but I'll be going in and out on that, which is, so the core course currently is run on Wednesday, the Lab to Launch is run on Thursday. So that's how it works. And I'm continuing to be advisor, mentor for a couple of startups, but kind of focusing to what I'm kind of slowing down or reducing. I'll be not doing much mentor. I'm kind of reducing the number of companies that I mentor, advise, just to keep more focus on what I should be doing. Also, I'll be quitting my job. I'm teaching entrepreneurship at a university called City University of Seattle, which has a campus in Vancouver. I'll be quitting this sort of term, so a few weeks from now that will be my last session. I want to make up more room so that I can focus on something I'm preparing. I'm planning to start a startup in North America, so I'm still kind of fleshing out my ideas, talking to a lot of people. Hopefully I can announce that in this channel around next month. Today is March 1st, and I'm kind of taking this outside because I thought it was interesting, because you see all this snow in Vancouver at this time of year. So yeah, it's definitely a weird winter season for Vancouver, but everything is going well. Hopefully I'll be updating more on like what I've been doing. Also, I'll be posting more videos around like what you should do when you're starting your first startup. So that's that. Just an update, quick update of like what's going on. I hope to post more videos going forward. If you have any requests or anything that you'd be interested in, for me to talk about, please write in the comment section below. And yeah, I hope to keep you updated and see you in the next video. Bye.